Hi, this is Edye with Little House of Beans. Today we are making a strawberry keto cake. And of course, minimal ingredients, and we will be using our Omnia oven. The recipe will be in the description below. Please make sure to click that like button, give us a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and please subscribe. Now let's get cooking. I just poured in all the dry ingredients that we mixed together before into the wet. Here's a little boo-boo that I did. We're supposed to add the sweetener in with the wet ingredients, with the egg and the vanilla. I added it with the dry ingredients. So we'll see what happens.